This video is going to be a review and overview of this new app, BitWalk. Now, BitWalk is a newer app that actually rewards you in Bitcoin for walking. But is it legit? So this video is going to break it down. We're going to go over all the pros and cons of this app, and I'm going to tell you if it's legit. All right, so let's go check out the app. So BitWalk is actually a Japanese app. It is available in the United States, UK, and a couple other countries. The app has a 4.4 star rating on the Apple App Store, is available on both Apple and Android devices. It is a free app that actually will give you portions of Bitcoin for walking and watching ads. In addition, there are a couple other ways that you can earn Bitcoin through this app. So the user face is pretty simple on this app. It only has a couple different tabs and a couple different opportunities to earn Bitcoin. Now, every 250 steps that you take will allow you to watch an ad to earn small portions of Bitcoin. Now, BitWalk will use the Apple Fitness app on your phone to track your steps. You can watch ads every 250 steps up to 12,500 steps per day. Now, it may be annoying to watch the ads. However, the company needs the ad revenue to give you the Bitcoin. Now, the fractions of Bitcoin that you earn are actually in the form of BTCP, which is a fractional amount of Bitcoins. The mathematical equation is 1,000 BTCP equals 1 Bitcoin. The minimum threshold to cash out and earn Bitcoin is 0.2 BTCP, not to be confused with 0.2 of Bitcoin. Now, once you have 0.2 BTCP, you can actually start the withdrawal process. Now, according to the BitWalk app, one of the downfalls is that it says it takes between 2 weeks and 30 days to receive your Bitcoin in your wallet. Basically, you have to attach a wallet and meet the minimum requirement threshold in order to cash out. BitWalk recommends that you use Gemini Wallet or Rock Wallet. However, you can add other wallets as well. You do this through the account settings. I used Coinbase for my withdrawal, and it worked. The app does track your steps and calorie burning as well. There's a couple other ways you can actually earn some additional Bitcoins as well. You can predict the price of Bitcoin. And you can actually do the lucky spin. You can do the lucky spin 3 times a day for some additional BTCP. You can actually earn some additional rewards if you invite friends and they use your referral codes. You can invite up to 3 people per month, and you can get some additional opportunities to earn more money. In addition, you can download and play games that will give you a more substantial amount of BTCP. This is definitely a faster way to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold. Now, 0.2 BTCP equates to approximately $20 when Bitcoin is at about 100,000. So it's generally going to be give or take $20 or so. Now, you can track what rewards are coming to you by clicking on the right bottom menu tab. This is also where you're going to put in a crypto wallet, and you're going to start the withdrawal process. So overall, I've found this app to be pretty useful and another side hustle to be able to earn some Bitcoin. You're not going to get rich and earn lots of Bitcoin doing this, but certainly if you're playing games or walking, it doesn't hurt to watch a couple ads and, see where it goes. Once again, this is a legit app. I've used it for a while now and I've cashed out. It does work. It's went right into my Coinbase wallet. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'm going to do lots more side hustle apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.